Hey guys, welcome to episode 22 of the PowerPlatform digital series. My name is Ron, and this month, given that it's the month of December and it's a month of celebration here in Canada, we continue to talk about customer success. And to help me talk about this week's customer success is my good buddy Greg Dashwood. Greg, welcome.
Thank you, Ron. Thanks for bringing me back to the show. So, hi everyone. I'm Greg Dashwood. I'm the product lead for IoT and Advanced Analytics here at Microsoft.
Perfect. Cool. So Greg, we talked about in the session earlier this week around the holistic story of MacDonald Miller and kind of their IoT solution with kind of the field service. Another thing that I thought was really interesting about the story is their ability to take the IoT data, apply analytics, turn it into insight, and then visualize it over something like PowerBI and start to make that a service or a service offering for their customers. So what I'm wondering, some insight from you, is are you seeing that sort of increasingly being adopted by our customers?
Yeah, absolutely. It's funny when you look at the ingredients of technology we have on the table now that are allowing these new business models to really come to fruition. So you've got visualization, you've got advanced data analytics, and you've got ability to take data from any device in real time anywhere it sits in the world. So I'm going to jump out of the building space and I'm going to talk about a totally different industry. And so I think you're all familiar with the beautiful cars that Rolls-Royce creates, but what you may not know is they actually create some of the most high-performance jet engines in the entire world. And they provide these to their customers, which will be the airlines as well as the airplane manufacturers themselves. Now, what they've done is revolutionize their business model. So they're not only offering you the lease or purchase of an engine, but a whole digital service around that to understand its health, predict when issues are going to occur before they actually happen, and keep the engine running more efficiently and safely than it would be otherwise. So it's an incredibly valuable service that they're able to bring in, truly only enabled by this unique ingredients that we're able to bring from a technology standpoint from both the Microsoft Azure side, but also our Dynamics Power Platform as well.
Absolutely. So guys, again, great stories. Please go check it out. Until the next time, let us know what you like, what you don't like, and what you would like to see us cover in future episodes. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.
Thanks, guys. Bye-bye.